We're about to do something today that we were explicitly told not to do. But trust me, it's for the greater good. The greater good. Hot Fuzz, what's up? You ain't seen Bad Boys 2? Anyways, there are a few slight discrepancies between the pattern of the bevel kit and the supplied bevel pieces, but Delphi said do not grind the bevels. But as you can see, there is just the slightest of overhangs. And if I've learned anything about working with stained glass, the smallest of overhangs add up to throwing off the entire project. I will now take the time to say, please do not try this at home. I am a self-trained semi-professional who doesn't always know what he's doing, but I think we'll be okay here. My head has a thick candy shell. Tommy boy, what's up? And what's a day of grinding without my mate's mate? Yeah, I think that works out. Fun fact, we learned today the grinder's mate can even hold bevel pieces. Is there anything this guy can't do? Thankfully, not all bevel pieces require a trip to the grinder, and the ones that do not need to be touched up on all sides. Just one or two sides to make this all come together in harmony. One concern I had was the grinding of the Alicia glass, actually, because I didn't want to slide it on the surface of the grinder for fear that it would scrape through the spray paint and damage the pattern. And then I remembered my mate could also solve that problem for me. This guy's the real one. Seriously, if you don't have a Nix Grinders mate, I highly recommend one. It's a top 3 secondary tool for me. I am happy to report that no bevel pieces blew up in my face or shattered into a bajillion pieces. So I think we're in the clear. This step is moving slower though than I expected, but I'm also blaming that on my hesitancy with grinding the forbidden glass. Delphi, if you are watching this, I apologize, but please have faith that I will do right by you. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time. We're approaching a crossroads soon though. To patina or not patina? Let me know in the comments.